Hi, this is Carrie from Trauma Services. A lot of property managers assume biohazard cleanup is going to be an out-of-pocket expense, but you may be relieved to learn that most biohazard losses are actually covered by property insurance. When you reach out to us, the first thing we do is confirm if your property has an active insurance policy. From there, we'll handle the heavy lifting, communicating directly with your insurance carrier to confirm coverage details, and once the remediation is complete, we'll submit the claim on your behalf. We also provide all the necessary documentation and photo evidence to ensure the claim is processed smoothly. Now, if for any reason your property doesn't have insurance, or if you choose to forego the insurance process due to a high deductible, don't worry. We still have options to assist you. We'll work with you to find a solution that fits your budget and gets the job done quickly and professionally. For property management professionals, here are a couple of key tips. Make sure you have up-to-date insurance details for each property. This can save you valuable time during an emergency. Familiarize yourself with your insurer's specific requirements for biohazard claims, as each carrier may have different documentation or approval processes. Our goal is to take as much off your plate as possible, so you can focus on keeping your property running smoothly. If you have any questions about how we can support you through the claims process, please feel free to reach out.